To the right of me is the biowall. There are many beneficial aspects to this wall. It actually is a return air plenum for the entire building. And all of the air that gets put into the spaces in here are filtered by these plants. So you're actually bringing in the outside air inside without sacrificing the efficiency of your HVAC system. It's actually built very simple. It's a wall of 8-inch CMU block, waterproofed, and on top of that waterproofing, you have a triangular or trapezoidal duct, and this duct has round holes in the core. What actually happens is the air is passing through the plants, through the sponge, through a coconut fiber, through another piece of sponge, which is all attached to this trapezoidal duct, and then gets connected to a couple headers that connect the duct together because it's running vertically up the wall. Goes down into the return air plenum, into the HVAC system, and then gets pumped out through the floors in the building. The construction of the biowall is very simple. It's actually a piece of sponge that you'd find in your kitchen with some coconut fiber in the middle. The plants get rooted onto the coconut fiber, and the coconut fiber eventually dissolves. There's another layer of sponge behind it, and that sponge is connected to a triangular or trapezoidal duct with holes. So the air is passing through the plants, through the sponge, into the duct, and then goes back into the HVAC system. There's success and failure to the wall are two items. Number one, the water, and number two, the light. The biowall at the base has a waterproofed basin, almost like a fish tank filled with rocks and water. There's two pumps in this basin, and the pumps alternate so that you don't burn one out, or if you did burn one out, you have a spare. That water gets pumped to the top in a 2-inch PVC pipe, and then there's a perforated PVC pipe running horizontal across the top of the wall, which allows the water to drip down through the sponge and irrigate the plants. The lighting is basically a saltwater fish tank type light system. These lights will remain on when lighting levels are too low from the outside, and then they shut off when the lighting levels are okay to support the plants.